How are you today? I hope you are always in good condition. Amen. Next, I ask permission to introduce myself. My name is Yudda. I live in the Citra Surotinawan Estate Housing Complex, Mojokerto Municipality. I work at PT Ajinek International Mojokerto Factory. This factory is located on Rayamlir Road, north of Brantas River, Mojokerto Regency, East Java Province, Indonesia. I joined in April 1997 until now. The company produces food seasoning and we usually call vaccine or MSG. And this product special supplies for export or the global market requirement of MSG. We have several facilities like masjid or prayer rooms, sport fields, canteen, clinic, and others. I think you should visit here knowing our product and process. I'm waiting for your visit. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like home to better and more.